Some so-called financial experts recommend making extra mortgage payments on your balance. If you're considering this, you need to stick around to the end of this video because today we're going to go over 3 reasons why this may not be the best decision for you and your financial security. Hi, I'm Olivia Kirk.
And I'm Tim Urich. We're from Tier 1 Capital, and we're here to show you how to regain control of your money.
For the best advice on controlling your cash flow, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell to be notified when we upload new videos. If you've been watching our channel for a while, you know that we always preach how important it is to control your cash flow. And a lot of times, conventional wisdom will tell us debt is bad. And in the case of a mortgage, that's often several $100,000s of debt on your balance sheet. And that could feel heavy. So it makes sense that people want to pay that off as soon as possible. But the number one reason why that may not be a good idea for your situation is because every dollar that you pay extra on that mortgage is a dollar that you no longer own and control. And the question is that really leaving you and your family in a safe financial position?
Thinking about this logically, today you own $1, and you take that dollar and you put an extra dollar on your mortgage. Today you controlled it. The day you give it to the bank, they control it. Now, if you get disabled, if you lose your job, or the economic situation in this country changes, now you've got to go to the bank to ask permission to get your money. Are you in control, or is the bank in control?
Here's the first question you should ask yourself. Does paying off your mortgage faster increase your net worth?
And the answer is basically no. Think about it. If you had a $400,000 mortgage and you had $400,000 of cash, your net worth is zero. If you pay off the mortgage with the cash, your net worth is zero. So you're not increasing your net worth. But here's the issue. Before you paid off the mortgage, you owned and controlled $400,000 of cash, and you had a $400,000 mortgage. After you paid off the mortgage, you have zero in cash and a $400,000 house. If you need to get that money, who's in control, you or the bank?
Here's the second question to consider. Does paying off your mortgage sooner increase the value of your home?
And again, the answer is probably not. So you see, your house will either appreciate in value or depreciate in value. It doesn't matter whether you have a mortgage, whether you have no mortgage, or you have a big mortgage or a small mortgage. The value of your mortgage doesn't increase or decrease the value of your home.
Here's a third question to consider. When you pay off your mortgage faster, is it increasing your financial security or the bank's financial security?
And to answer that question, think of this question. When you go to shop for a mortgage, isn't there a lower interest rate on a 15-year mortgage versus a 30-year mortgage? And doesn't that tell you that the bank is incentivizing you to pay off your mortgage sooner? Why? For your benefit or for their benefit? Won't they get their money back sooner? And won't they be able to turn that money over and loan it again? Is that making your position better or the bank's position better?
Knowing what you know now, if you have extra money to put on your mortgage, does it really make sense to put it on your mortgage? Or does it make more sense to put it in a place where you have complete liquidity use and control of that money to take advantage of opportunities? Or in the case of emergency, if you're to lose your job or become disabled and unable to work, does it make more sense to put it in a place where you own and control it, or where you have to ask permission from the bank to access that home equity again?
And you see, it's all about control of your money and using your money to increase your security.
Keep this in mind. Whoever controls your cash flow controls your life. So you want to guard it so that you're not willingly giving up control of that money to the banks, the government, and to Wall Street. If you have extra cash flow and you're thinking about putting it towards your mortgage, or you already are, and you'd like to learn more about how our process can help you regain control of your cash flow, visit our website at tier1capital.com to get started today. Also, if you like this video, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
Thanks so much for watching our video. And remember, it's not how much money you make.
It's how much money you keep that really matters.